I lost 20 pounds, so that's like cool. Why do I feel so awkward? Okay, hi. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a fitness video, and I haven't done a fitness video in like 2 years. In today's video, I'm gonna be telling you guys how I lost 20 pounds in 2 months, so how to lose weight, and my tips and tricks on to lose weight. Honestly, there's not any shortcuts. Sadly. I asked you guys on Twitter if you guys wanted to see this video, and so many of you guys were like, yes, please, like, please, right now, like, do it now. So, here I am. Hi. So I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, all of that good stuff, and then my workouts and just like random tips that I feel like help a lot with losing weight. Also, before I start, definitely subscribe, it'll be down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. It's just that little bell thing, so definitely click it. Also, thumbs this video up for more fitness videos. If you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below, because maybe I'll make like a part 2, because I know I'm definitely gonna like forget about things. I'll also have all the time things for like specific portions of this video, if that makes sense, if there's like a certain part that you just want to like watch. So I'll have that down below. So I'm just gonna start off with saying that I literally have struggled with like losing weight and body image for so long. I still do, honestly. I don't even know where to start. I've been posting pictures on Instagram, and you guys can definitely like tell that I've gotten toned and lost weight. This is so weird. I found this picture on my camera roll and I was shook. This was me like a year ago, and I just like was eating super bad. I was not working out, and I'm not saying that you need to lose weight to feel pretty or like, no. My main purpose was to just like feel good and feel healthier. I am not a fitness or health expert at all. You guys already know that. I'm just sharing how I lost 20 pounds in 2 months. Also with me, I don't really like to focus on like pounds. I usually focus on like body fat percentage. I saw this picture on Instagram, and it really like made me realize the scale does not matter with like pounds. Like you could look completely different and be the same weight, if that makes sense. Yeah? Okay. I think my biggest thing was the consistency part. Like I would work out and eat healthy for like a week, and I would be like, okay, why am I not losing weight? Like, and then I would just get discouraged and then just eat a Big Mac, like, to be completely honest. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the diet portion. I'm gonna show you guys what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Highly recommend drinking a lot of water. I drink a gallon a day, even more than that some days. So you wanna make sure that with water, you drink half of your body weight in ounces, if that makes sense. So if you weigh 100 pounds, you wanna drink 50 ounces of water a day, or even more than that, because water just flushes everything out, and it's a natural fat loss, so we love that. Also, I don't drink any soda or any of that. Also, I try to stay away from dairy because it makes me super bloated. My body does not like dairy at all. So I eat 1,200 calories a day. I've seen a big result if I eat a low carb, high fat, and high protein diet. Every body is different, but I've seen that like with my body, I get the best results doing that. I always give myself a cheat meal or cheat day once a week, so you know, it's all about balance. It's a lifestyle change. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. So let's go. Okay, so we are in my kitchen right now. Breakfast time. For breakfast, I usually have oatmeal, which I'm obsessed with oatmeal. You guys will see. Or I have egg whites with spinach. But for today, I'm gonna have some oatmeal. We craving some oatmeal. Look at my beautiful oatmeal collection. Like, I have so much. I'm so stocked up. For today, I'm taking this one, which is the original one, and I'm just taking 1 pack. And then I'm gonna add some water. And also, guys, this is a measuring cup. A lot of people, I showed this in one of my vlogs and everyone was shook, but yeah, they have literally a measuring cup right here. Life hack. Now we're gonna put her in the microwave. So 1:30. I would just get the maple brown sugar one. It has a lot of sugar in it, and I just like to see how much I put in. So I literally put like that much. So not a lot, just to sweeten it up a little bit. But you can put like honey or agave in there. Sprinkle some chia seeds in there, because they are good for you. I add some almond milk. I mix it up. I know this doesn't look very appetizing, but it tastes so good. And then my favorite part, I just take this almond butter, which this one is so bomb. Try it. I usually take like that much amount. Voila. The almond butter just changes the game, to be completely honest. It was hot. Also, when I say low carb, I'm still eating like oatmeal and stuff, which is a carb. Oatmeal's good for you. I'm just talking about like processed carbs like pasta, pizza, bread, cookies, all that good stuff. I still let myself eat that. Also, when I say diet, I know a lot of people don't like that word. I'm more saying it as eating habits and a lifestyle change, so yeah, don't come at me. Okay, so for lunch, I usually make a protein shake, smoothie, or I usually eat one of these Healthy Choice grilled chicken and broccoli Alfredo things. And these are only like 190 calories, 5 grams of fat, 8 carbs, and 28 grams of protein. So this has a lot of protein. The only thing I don't like about these like warm up things is it has more sodium than I would like it to have. I love to have this right after a workout. I'm gonna add some ice. And then I usually add some almond milk. Not like a lot though, so like that much. And then I add some berries, purple berry blend. And for a cup, it's 70 calories. I don't add that much of this. I would say like 1/4 a cup. Oh no, my fingers. This is the most important part. I've tried so many protein powders and this is my number one. This is like my second jar of this. This is the Whey Isolate Protein and this is in the flavor Chocolate Mint. They also have a vanilla and a strawberry, but this is literally my favorite. It tastes like chocolate milk, but like mint. 2 scoops of this in it because that's the serving size. And this is 110 calories, 1 gram of fat, 4 carbs, and 20 grams of protein. And then I add, I don't even know how much. I would say like a tablespoon of chia seeds. Since I already had almond butter this morning and it has a lot of fat, but good fats, I usually like to take PB2, which is a powdered peanut butter. This only has 1.5 grams of fat and it's 50 calories for 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons then I would say. Your greens, which you don't taste this at all when you put it in here. I put like a good amount. I put like 2 handfuls in. And then I just top it off with a little bit more almond milk just so it blends better. If you try this, please tweet me or Instagram me because it is so bomb. So for snacks, I usually have like a banana or a protein bar. I just have like random ones in here that are my favorite. This cookie dough one is my favorite. But yeah, I just have a whole bunch of granola bars and protein bars and I usually have that for snack. Or I usually just have something like this, which is a tropical trail mix and this is really good. It has raisins, peanuts, pineapple, papaya, banana chips, coconut chips, and almonds. Ooh. Okay, so I literally am all dressed up now. I wanted to take pictures, but it's dinner time now. You guys are probably like, what is this girl wearing? I understand. So for dinner, I usually have my dad grill me some chicken every Sunday, fun fact, and I have like all of it right here. I'm sorry if you're vegan or if you just don't eat meat. Usually for dinners, I like to have a piece of grilled chicken and a salad, so just like romaine lettuce. I'm just gonna put a good amount of lettuce in here. I mean, I might as well just eat the rest, okay. And then we're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna cut it up. Then this is the dressing I eat. I would use Caesar dressing, but it is really fattening. And this one is 30 calories every tablespoon, 0 grams of fat, 6 carbs, and 0 grams of protein. So I just put a little bit of that on there. So that is my salad. And then sometimes I usually add some croutons, and these are just like the classic Caesar ones. That is my salad. I'm gonna set you guys down in my refrigerator. Oh, the ice machine. This door keeps hitting me. Okay, stop. I definitely have a sweet tooth, so when I am like, wow, I really could go for some ice cream. I love getting this, and this is the Halo Top Cinnamon Roll Ice Cream, and for this whole thing, it's 360 calories, and per serving, it actually has like a good amount of protein, so this is a great substitute for ice cream because ice cream for like a pint, it could be up to like 600 calories or something. I sometimes have this for dessert whenever I'm like, I need something sugary, and this saves me. Okay, so for working out, I work out 6 times a week. I give myself a rest day. For me personally, I feel like when I'm working out and eating healthy, I feel the best and I'm in such a better mood. When I used to eat so bad and just like not work out a lot, I would be such a grumpy bitch. Like, you don't understand. If I'm having really bad anxiety and then I go to the gym and when I'm leaving, I feel so much better. I think it's like, it has something to do with endorphins and just, we love endorphins. For working out, I do a lot of like HIIT intervals, a lot of cardio. But I like to make sure that I at least get like 30 to 40 minutes of cardio in. My number one favorite one is the Stairmaster. It is so hard, but you burn so many calories. It works your legs so much. I'm telling you, like I'm dripping sweat when I'm on the Stairmaster. So I definitely recommend going on that for like 30 to 40 minutes a day. I actually have a trainer. His name's Noah. He is literally Incredible Hulk. I weight train 4 times a week with my trainer and we just do a lot of like weightlifting, squats, like all of that stuff. So let me know if you guys want me to do a video with him because I will show you all of our workouts and all of that. He kicks my butt every single time, to say the least. Like, I am breaking a sweat. And then on the weekend, I usually take a spin class, and you burn so many calories doing that, and it's such a good workout. I must say they are really expensive. I hate that. So yeah, I think that's everything. I think I covered everything. I don't know. I'm probably missing something, but let me know if you guys want me to do a part 2 of showing you guys like my in-depth workouts and stuff, because I will definitely do it. And I want to like bring you along on this fitness journey. I should have like vlogged this whole thing, but I've kind of just been like doing this privately. I don't know, I just wanted to do it for like me and not put so much pressure on myself. I definitely do want to bring you guys along on this fitness journey of mine. It's a big part of my life, so yeah, let me know if you guys want to see that. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. It will be down below, and turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload a new video. Yeah. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!